Okay. Alright, I'm gonna grab these bags. I'm so over today. I'm over this. I'm over it. Good morning. Well, barely morning. I'm not even gonna front. We definitely got a late start today. I was just so tired. Like, I just feel so sluggish. But I did, put some lipstick on, did my eyebrows so that way I could kind of feel awake. And I know I have to put this mask on to go run these errands, but y'all about to see these lipsticks. Nah, Fenty is pretty good with the mask thing. The only thing is the mask does pick up the lipstick. The lipstick doesn't really like move from your lips, but it does transfer onto the mask, and so it gets other places, but it still looks like your lips are completely covered. So yeah, so I do like this lipstick for that. But I figured I'd just take you guys on a few errands today with me, kind of. Yeah, but mostly I just want y'all to help me do this learning wall for Blythe. I'm homeschooling her. I have to pick up some like her shot record and a few other things because I am going to try to get her into this program. I feel like they're gonna tell me no because she's still 3 and she won't be 4 until December, so she misses the age cutoff for pre-K. So yeah, so I don't know, I'm still gonna try, see how that goes, because even if not, I'll have everything together for next year. But yeah, I have to let y'all see what Blythe has on today. I was doing my lipstick and stuff, and I was like, Blythe, go ahead and get dressed. And she put this jean dress on, but she didn't have a shirt on. So I was like, okay, well, you gotta put a shirt on, right? And so she came up with this little outfit, and at first I was looking at her like, but like the more I looked at it, I was like, okay, this is flavorful, this is youthful, you're giving me you vibes, you showing your personality, and I think it's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see it. Let me see you. Back up some. Blythe's outfit of the day, honey. We have the animals with the tool, with the Paw Patrol, the glitter bow. Can you twirl around for me? Twirl around. Let me see how pretty you look. Spin around. Can you pose for me? Blythe, can you pose for me? Other side, other side. This way, Blythe, come on. Blythe, come on. Oh gosh. Oh, awesome. Mommy's getting all wet. Can you go a little bit more? Keep going. Oh, Jesus, child. Come on, please get in your seat. All right, so this is take 2. Yesterday we did not get a chance to accomplish everything that I wanted to get accomplished. After we got out of the bank, it was like pouring down raining. I didn't even know it was supposed to rain yesterday, let alone today. But yeah, after we got out of the bank, I had to go help my dad with some stuff. So by then I was tired of getting wet. So now we are on the way to Walmart's and Dollar Tree in the rain. Really want to go ahead and get this stuff done. That way I can relax tomorrow and it'll already be up for Monday when we do her homeschool, because you know, right now I am homeschooling Blythe at home by myself. I used to teach. I didn't teach kids that were this small, but I feel as though it's going pretty well, and I think the learning wall will just really help, so that way she could see everything on the wall all day. I don't even know if I said that yesterday or not. But yeah, so I will check back in once we get to the store.
Norfolk's VIN 105.3 and on the iHeartRadio app. It's a crime to pay more than a dime. One dime down.
Okay, so we made it to our first stop. We are going into this Dollar Tree right here. Blythe, you ready to get wet? Yes. People always ask me, like, how do you get your toddler to wear her mask in a store? I hand it to her, I tell her to put it on. That simple. But yeah. Alright, y'all like our masks? My uncle pulled my grandma's old sewing machine out and made them for us. Blythe, you ready? Alright. About to go run in the rain. Do what? It's all. You want it? Okay, come on. Okay, let's see what they have. Come this way. I don't know. You want that? I think that is a good idea too. I really don't see anything I want out of here. Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Good. Yeah, you could get that. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, fix your mask. Dollar Tree didn't really have anything like exceptionally well at all. So now we're in Walmart and Blythe is finding a bunch of unnecessary stuff to spend my money on. So yeah, let's see if I can find any goods in here. So I'm pretty disappointed in Walmart's selection. This lock is just like flying over here. But they don't really have any good like stuff that I'm looking for. You already showed it, Blythe. So I'm just gonna probably go on Teachers Pay Teachers and try to find some stuff, print it out from there. It'll probably be cheaper, although, you know, I'm using ink, which is pretty costly, but it's better than running around in this rain and stuff. So you're so silly. Okay, so far this is what I found. There's a big difference between buying plant-based and vegan, so this is going to be pretty expensive. You ready to go? It sounds like it's a tsunami outside. Can you hear the rain, Blythe? Yes. You hear the rain? Yes. Yes. It is raining so hard. I gave Blythe my hat, and my hat is like completely drenched. I feel like I took a shower. Blythe, you okay? Oh yeah, and just a heads up in case y'all didn't know, when you have this mask on, and it gets wet and you trying to catch your breath from doing a slight jog to get out the rain with your baby, do not take a deep breath in with this soggy wet mask over your mouth. That's what I did inside my mask. But it was wet in there, and so like the water went. Oh God, I'm so ready to go home. You know what? This vlog was a total an epic fail, and I just don't want to do it no more. I'ma split up. Blythe said she cold and her baby cold. I'ma split up this vlog and maybe like change it, and I'll just like do a thing where y'all see me putting together her homeschool stuff, and then another vlog when I do maybe like vegan food versus plant-based food. That little bit of stuff that was in my grocery cart cost me $60. So yeah, but that's it for this. I'm tired of trying it at this point. I done got rained out. I'm soaked. Blythe got her Elsa toy, so she's happy, but I'm scared to turn the car on because the air's cold. We gonna freeze for a split second. Okay. Y'all, just like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm so sorry, but y'all gonna watch this vlog because I'm gonna still post it. I wish it was better, you guys. Oh my God, it's flooded out there. Y'all see it? Yeah, we done for today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. You say bye? Blythe and I climb through the back of the trunk out the car so that way we can get these groceries out. Come on, Blythe, you go first. You ready? Go, 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 go. Girl, open the door. Oh, shit. Go. Blythe. Go upstairs. Oh, gosh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna grab these bags. I'm so over today. I'm over this. I'm over it.